How you doing? This is Martin Mesa with Rate 1 Financial, and welcome back to Mortgage Mind. Today is tip number 3, installment number 3 of our tips and tricks series, and it's called Omitting Business Debts. Okay, so you're again in the boat that you want to qualify for a mortgage loan, and you want to be in the best position possible to qualify for as much as possible. And this particular tip is only for business owners, okay? It only works for business owners. And what it is let's say you're a business owner and you have a debt on your credit report that is a legitimate business expense that your business should be paying for because it's a business expense, right? Okay, so if you have such a debt, for example, let's say you're a contractor and you're spending money on supplies, on materials for all the jobs you do at people's homes, assuming you're a construction person. Make sure that credit card payment, the payments on that credit card are paid for by your business account, your business checking account. So for example, let's say you own a corporation or an LLC or partnership for your business, or even if you're a sole proprietor and you have a fictitious business name for it, make sure you get a checking account for that business and start making all those payments directly from that account to the creditor, okay? And that will allow the lender to qualify you for a higher mortgage loan because they won't hit you with those debts because they're business debts at that point. They're not personal debts. And the reason why they do that is because the bank, the lender, will assume that the business will continue paying those debts, so they're really business debts. So they don't count them against you as a personal debt, which allows you to qualify for a higher mortgage loan. So let's say in that same example, you pay $1,000 a month to the credit card for all your supplies. Eliminating that debt through showing 12 months proof that the business you own pays it will allow you to qualify for roughly about another $150,000 in a mortgage loan, okay? So that's a big deal, all right? So that's the tip for today, okay? I hope it's helpful for all you business owners out there. And if you're not already doing that, start doing it now. If you don't have a business checking account, go get one and start making all those business payments directly from that account. And then once you have the 12 months, you're good, all right? So that's it for today. That's tip number 3. Stay tuned for tip number 4 next time. And don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or wherever you saw us. Thank you.